Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland, where I bring new and amazing crypto project for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. So today in this video I have a gameplay for all of you. This is an engaging gameplay in which player can earn by hitting the eggs, and you can get your earning easily by easy withdrawal by connecting your MetaMask wallet. So in this video we're going to discuss each and everything about the gameplay, that how we can play the game and how we can withdraw our earning. So let's begin and move to the project. But before we proceed, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell. Okay guys, so here we are to the website of Monster Combat. First of all, you have to install the game. You can install the gameplay from Google Play Store, Apple Store and APK files to get the game easily, and then you will be able to play the game. But first you must be able to know more about the project. Here we have some of the details about the project gameplay, that what is the overview of the gameplay, the game culture, mechanism and their referral program. So we will discuss that how we can play the game. First of all, we have the introduction of the project. Monster Combat is the ultimate digital battleground for God Your Legends. In Monster Combat, you will engage in epic battles against dark monsters while uncovering the secrets of mystical lands. You can earn rewards with play to earn system, allowing you to grow your digital assets with enjoying the game. Then we have some of their gameplay overview. So here you can read out the overview gameplay, that how you can earn and how you can play the game. This is an engaging gameplay with tokens and game rewards and game economy progression. And then some of the game culture are mentioned here. They have 6 elements of Monster Combat in the universe of Monster Combat. The 6 ancient elements: water, fire, ground, grass, ice and electricity, from the essence of heroic elements. Then we have some of their hatching eggs, that how we can hatch the egg. In Monster Combat, the excitement begins when hatching elements egg, unleashing the power of unseen forces. These eggs contain elements of varying types and variety of levels. Then their boosts, battles, then of the fighting monsters, all the things we will discuss in the video. And then we have some more details of the project, their game mechanism, that what is a game mechanism. This is play to earn and free play to play features in Monster Combat. Monster Combat provides both play to earn and free play to play mechanics, ensuring that player can enjoy the game and progress while earning rewards. So here you can go through the details of the project, that they have referral program as well. Then you will be able to understand it. And here we have some more details of the project. Their Monster Combat is a cosmic war when darkness rises. Once upon a time, planet Eloin was once a place of peace and brilliance, where the ancient elements of water, fire, electricity, ground, grass and ice maintained the balance of life. From legendary eggs, the elemental emerged, they fought, learned and grew stronger to protect their scarred planet, and each planet can lead to thrilling. So you can explore more from here. They have play to earn features. You can hatch the best elements egg and then you will get the rewards. Then we have hatch eggs, their fighting bows, earn SMS and leveling the elements of evolution and diminish. Some of the elements are mentioned here, that they have fire, they have water, so you can go through this. They have grass, the element, ground element, the electric element as well, and last is ice element. So you can choose one of the element which you can use to play, and then you will choose each of the elements of here. If you want to choose electric elements, so you have all the electric elements mentioned. Which element do you want to choose to against the enemy? And then some of the ground elements is mentioned here, so you can choose one of the ground element as well. Some of the grass elements are mentioned here, so you can choose out the grass elements as well, that which element suits you the best, so you can choose that element to participate and fight against the enemy. So you can choose out the elements of each which suits you the best and which is the best for you. So I'll choose fire element and then I will play this game. And here we have some of the tokenomics of the project, that they have distributed the tokenomics, like they have airdrop which is 8% Contributors will consist of 6%, they have team for 10%, liquidity for 9%, and token sale for 12%. Ecosystem will contain 40% and DAO treasury is 14%. So you can go through the economics as well, and then we will discuss the roadmap of the project, that what they have planned for the future and what is the future planning of the project. In first phase, they have long-term growth and metaverse integration with new elements and features like cross-chain expansion, metaverse VN. In second step, they have new features and community integration. In step 4, which in April to June, they have expansion and definition, and in June to March, they have core game development. So these are the future planning of the project of gameplay. And then we have some of their future plannings as well. The Monster Combat Sports, both free to play and play to earn models, allowing players to earn reward without initial investment. So if you have any question, you can ask that how do I start playing Monster Combat, what are MSK used for, how can I maximize my rewards in battles, and is there airdrop for Monster Combat. So if you have any type of question in your mind, so you can get your answer on the website here, and then you can see, then check the social channels of the project like gameplay, mini app, telegram group, and their Twitter to be able to understand the project easily. And we have also the gameplay. So here we are to the gameplay of the project. Okay, so first of all, we are to the gameplay of the project. They have VIP card login. So first of all, you have to log in your account if you have already an account, but for login you have to connect your wallet. So you can click on this and then you have to connect your wallet. You can connect your MetaMask wallet, Wallet Connect, Coinbase wallet, and Rainbow wallet. So you have to connect your wallet and then you will be able to play the game and earn. Okay, so here we have the gameplay. So we can simply choose our element which we can use to play in the game, and then we have to play. But first we have the element eggs. We can choose one of the element egg which we can hatch in the gameplay. So if we will choose the random egg, like if it costs 1750, then it will be is equal to 7 eggs. So if you have balance to buy this egg, so you can choose this, but then you have to choose one of the egg to be able to play in the gameplay, and then you will be participate in the eggs. Then you will connect to one of the egg, and then you have to choose your element, like if you want to choose fire element, water element, ground element, and then you will be play the game. So here we can see that after playing the game, your reward system will be mentioned on the here, that we have the social channels. So we can simply join the social channels by connecting straight, and then you have to and then we will be able to play buy sell. And here by playing game we have, and then you have to click on this like to play the game play. So here play will be started and then you will get your reward. So here we have some of their features, like if you want to play Zeroth bot, so you can choose one of the details of the here. So if you want to choose this, you will get 70% to 100% reward. Then I will going to play this by the fight against the enemy. So next the match is started, and then the match is over, and then you can see that match is getting over and the convenient team has winning, so my earning will not be digested. And then we have to simply click on the gameplay, and then we will choose ice player and then click it. Make sure to choose 2 of the player, in which if each can fight, then you will be get rewards. Then you have to choose the another. So the Marinder I've choose on this. Then we have to play this game, fight against the enemy, and then you can see that the match is over and the second campaign has been started instead of first. And then match is over and we will get reward by offering the match. Okay, so we have win the match. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access. I recommend you to play the game and earn with this, because this is a great opportunity for all of you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.